everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's do some more fabulous gift box paper crafting. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you so very much to everyone who is supporting my channel in any positive way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In a previous video, we made these beautiful gift purses using Dollar Tree gift boxes. Now, you don't have to have Dollar Tree gift boxes to make this project. That's just what I used on mine. Today, I'm going to use some more of those Dollar Tree gift boxes, but this time we're going to make it wallet style. So if you don't want to give a purse, you can give this as a substitution. And y'all remember, any season, any reason, any gender. When you swap out the paper and the embellishments, any project that I'm doing becomes any season, any reason, and depending on the style, any gender. So remember that just because I'm making these for Christmas, that doesn't mean that you have to make them for Christmas. You can swap out and make these for any reason that you want. But today we're going to make this awesome candy bar wallet, but it's also going to double as a gift card holder. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at today's beautiful little project. It's not much. It's just a little something that you can give to someone for Secret Santa. You can stuff it in a stocking. You can give it to a coworker just as a Merry Christmas. Just a little something. On the inside, I just have 2 bars of chocolate that the person receiving this might just like. Like I said, it doesn't have to be a whole lot. But as I was filming this video, I realized that I could also turn this into a gift card holder as well. And I'm going to add that in the making of this video. So not only will we be able to give these sweet treats, it'll also hold a gift card as well. So it's going to be a candy bar gift card holder. Super cute, super easy to make. We're going to make it using a gift box. If you don't have gift boxes from the Dollar Tree, that's okay, because we are in the season where gift boxes are aplenty. So all you've got to do is take a gift box and cut it down to the measurements that I'm going to be giving you. And you can make this holder using a gift box from anywhere, or you can make it just using regular cardstock. So here is my gift box, and I love this print. So I'm starting with one of the Dollar Tree gift boxes that measures 12 inches by 5 inches by 3 inches, and we're going to be making some cuts to it, and we will trim this down just a little bit. The first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to remove these end pieces. So we're going to have this piece, but don't throw these pieces away because they're going to come in handy in just a few minutes. So we are going to take this, and with the pieces like this, the long way, we're going to take this and we're going to trim it down to 8.5. So I am going to trim from both sides. So I'm going to turn it and trim it just a little bit more here. And then I'm going to trim it just a little bit more here until I get to 8.5. So then we're going to end up with a piece that is 8.5 by 11. So those of you who don't have a box, then all you need to do is cut your piece to 8.5 by 11. So on the 11-inch side, and this is slightly shorter than 11, but that's okay. So on the 11-inch side, we already have a score at 3, but if you don't have a score at 3, go ahead and score at 3, then score at 4, score at 7. You're already going to have a score at 8 if you're using this box, but if you don't, go ahead and score at 8, and then we're going to score at 10. So those scores again, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. Then we're going to rotate it to the 8.5 inch side and score at 1. And now we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish all of our scores. And again, I'm working with this little baby spatula from the Dollar Tree. Just want to make sure that it's going to be one of those things that works out fine. I've only used this one other time before, so I need to use it a little bit more just to make sure that it's going to hold up to our style of crafting. Okay, so once you have your piece like this, we are going to go ahead, this end here, not the end that has the additional flap, but this end, we're going to go ahead and go to the score mark, drag out, and drag out because we're going to free this tab. Then we're going to reduce it, angle, angle, and we'll do the same thing over here. So we're going to free this tab, we can angle or reduce first, whichever one you want to do. And so now your piece is going to look like this. So now you're going to turn it towards you, and you're going to have 1, 2, 3 score marks. We're going to go up to that third score mark and drag down. Then we are going to remove everything except this tab here. So we'll angle in, angle, and reduce that tab. We'll do the same thing on this side. So we're going to go up to the third score mark, 1, 2, 3, and we'll drag down. And then we're going to remove the first 2 tabs, angle, angle, and reduce. So now you'll have a piece that looks like this. We are going to take some glue, place glue on this flap, and glue it over. And use my spatula to get that nice and stuck. And so now we have this. I am going to bring in one of these pieces that I cut. And like I said, don't throw them out because we're going to be using them. So now I'll take my finger blade and just remove that end. And I'll remove this end. And we're going to take this and we're going to put it right in here. But we need to reduce it just a little bit more. So I am just going to reduce. And so we'll be able to place this right here. Now, so that the person will know there is a gift card in here, I am just going to notch out a little V. So now I can take this, and when you put it down, you're going to be putting it down on the piece that is closest to that top. So I'm going to take my glue, and I am going to add my Reptile on 3 sides of this. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I use Reptile glue because I absolutely love it. And so many of you have left positive comments about it as well. So I'm going to take this and put it down right there. So now if we want to add a gift card, we can. So now we're going to take this, go ahead and add some glue to those tabs. Bring up that back. and get that stuck. Same thing here. Bring up the back and getting it stuck. And now I'll take my glue and I'm going to apply glue to this piece here. We'll fold it over and close our box. And I'll use my little baby spatula to get everything nice and stuck. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Like I said, you don't have to make this with the gift box. I just thought the gift box prints were just so pretty, and they're so rich in color that I thought they were perfect to do some Christmas crafting with. So I am just going to make sure I have that nice and stuck. So now when we fold that over, this is what we're going to have. So I'm taking my Velcro and I'm placing that Velcro right there. And we're going to get it stuck. Now look at the beautiful box we've created. When you open it, you can see on the inside you've got that holder for the gift card. We have a very simple box that we made using one of the box tops that was in the Dollar Tree pack. I am going to take these candies out. And now we're going to go ahead and take these candies and create a wrap for them. So I am using that other piece of scrap. And you guys can see on this project that we don't have very much scrap left over because we are using the scrap. So I can take this piece and I'm going to place it down on my bars, and I'm just going to do a wrap around, but I'm going to make sure that I have it loose enough so that I can slide this wrap on and off. And for those of you who are new to paper crafting, this wrap is also referred to as a belly band. So when you hear me say belly band, I'm talking about a wraparound such as this. So I am going to take just a little bit of my glue, place my glue right there. Then I'm going to bring this over and put it down, get it nice and stuck. Like I said, making sure that I can slide it on and off. Let's get that stuck. I'll use my little baby spatula here to get that stuck. Now I'll flip that over. I have this little book of stickers, Christmas stickers from Simple Stories. I'm just going to flip through, find me a little sticker that I can put on here that will stand out. I think I'm going to try this one that says Merry Christmas. Let's see if you can see that when I put it on. Yeah, I think you'll be able to see it. So I'm just going to slide that over just a little bit. It doesn't take a whole lot. We have a very simple wrap for these bars of candy. The beauty of the project is the box. So I am going to take this, put it in the box, and close it. And now I'm going to take one of my little Anna Griffin pieces here, and I'm going to put that down. But before I do, I am going to just remove a little bit of the sticky back because I don't want all of the sticker exposed. So I'll tear that off. And we'll put it on just like that. Then I'm going to take just a little bit of ribbon and make me a little bow for the top. And so now that I have my bow, I am going to take a little glue dot, put that glue dot on the back, And we're going to take this and put it on like that. And y'all, it's the little things. We can take the candy bar and give it as a Secret Santa gift. We can put it in a stocking. We can pass it off to a coworker just as a little Christmas something. But when we take that extra step to dress it like this, it becomes so much more than just a candy bar. And in the case of this one, we now have a place that we can also add a gift card. So if you're making these to give to the grandkids, you can tuck in that gift card along with the little sweet that you might be giving them. So I am going to bring my first box back in so y'all can see just how stinking cute these are. And when finished, this box is going to measure 6 3/8 by 3, and it's 1 inch deep. So it's a nice size box for the candy bars that I have put on the inside. If your bars are a different size, then you just need to tweak these measurements to fit the bar that you have. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this wonderful little project made using gift boxes. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.